Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a crochet ball keychain, a fun and easy gift idea for beginners. You can also use it as a rear view mirror ornament in your car. For more patterns and written instructions, visit my website, crochetstrends.com. We'll be crocheting this keychain in 3 different color combinations. Feel free to use your favorite colors and crochet the balls in any size you like. I'll show you all the tips to make the balls bigger or smaller, step by step, throughout the video. For this keychain, I'm using a 5-ply medium weight yarn made of 50% cotton and 50% acrylic. And I'll be working with a 2.20mm crochet hook for this pattern. If you're enjoying this so far, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Before we start, leave a bit of yarn and tie a knot. Then, chain 31 stitches to begin. When you fold the 31 chains in half, you'll get the width of your ball keychain. To make it larger, simply increase the number of chains. For smaller ones, just reduce the chain count. As you can see, the 31 chains measure about 11 centimeters. Start from the second chain and make 30 single crochets all the way across. After the 30th single crochet, slip stitch into the first stitch. This will close the round and form a circle. Chain 1. Start in the same stitch and make 1 single crochet into each stitch below, 30 total. Slip stitch into the top of the first single crochet to finish the round. Chain 1. Then make 1 single crochet into each stitch, for a total of 30. This pattern repeats itself, row after row. Slip stitch into the first stitch and complete the round. Chain 1, and from the same space, make 1 single crochet into each stitch. Repeat this step 8 times, for 8 rounds total. I've now finished all 8 rounds, after the starting chain. After finishing the 30th single crochet in round 8, cut the yarn and make an invisible join. Loving this so far? Give this video a like and subscribe. Take the starting yarn tail and weave it through the first stitch, hiding it neatly inside. Share this video with your crochet friends. I followed all the same steps and made a second colorful circle off camera with 31 chains and 8 rounds. Let's keep going with the third color and crochet 30 single crochets into 31 chains. I made 30 single crochets, working across 31 chains. It's time to build the look. Let's interlock the circles. Be sure the ends of each circle row stay tucked inside. Let's place the yellow circle right inside the green one. Pull the pink stitches through, right side of yellow to the left. Make sure the pink piece sits above the green circle. Gently weave the pink stitches through the yellow circle on the left side. Slip stitch into the first single crochet, and our pink circle is done. Chain 1. Then make 30 single crochets, 1 in each stitch, all the way around the pink circle. Loving this so far? Don't forget to hit like and drop a comment. Give this video a big thumbs up. Looking for more like this? Check out my other tutorials too. Subscribe now and never miss a crochet inspiration. Slip stitch into the first single crochet, and this round is done. Chain 1. From the same spot, crochet around the pink ring, 30 stitches total. Keep going up until you have 8 rounds, just like before. Now let's hide the starting yarn tail, so it looks clean inside. Finish the last rounds and complete all 8 rows. Keep adding rounds and fiber fill. The puffiness will fix itself. Finish 8 pink rounds. Leave a long yarn tail and cut. Use this yarn tail later to secure the keychain clip. Make an invisible join here, so it blends perfectly. Enjoying the project? Hit like and subscribe for more tutorials. Use your hands to shape it, and fix the colors softly. Fill it through any open spot, using fiber fill until it's firm. Now, let's attach the keychain clip. It's the final touch. And just like that, our keychain is complete step by step. That's all I wanted to share with you in this video. Thank you for being here. I truly hope this helped, and that you enjoyed crocheting together. Until the next video, please subscribe, like, and share, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you next time. And happy crocheting!